Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines, ladies and gentlemen. Please note that all hand luggage that cannot be securely stored in the weight compartment will need to be checked in now. You're also reminded to take care of your personal belongings and valuables at all times. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you. This is pilot speaking. My name is Adrian Wong. With me in the flight deck is Captain Lim Nam Se. In the cabin, we have in-flight supervisor Miss Ong. Together with our cabin crew, we'd like to warmly welcome you aboard Singapore Airlines Airbus 330 Service SQ 931 back to Singapore. Flight time today is 2 hours 5 minutes. You can follow the live progress of our flight in our in-flight entertainment system on our Flight Path Progress channel. En route, we do expect a generally smooth flight, but in the interest of your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened whenever seated and whenever the seatbelt signs are switched on. We're just waiting for one more door to close. We should be on our way. I'll leave you in the good hands of Miss Ong and the cabin crew. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Cabin crew, all doors closed. Ladies and gentlemen, all portable electronic devices must now be put in flight safe mode and then turned off. They must be safely stowed for departure. Please be reminded that smoking and use of electronic cigarettes are not allowed in the aircraft at all times. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please give your attention to the safety video which will now be shown.
Para penumpang sekalian, atas nama Singapore Airlines, kami mengucapkan selamat datang di atas pesawat ini. Semua perangkat elektronik portable sekarang harus diatur ke model penerbangan dan kemudian dimatikan. Anda semua harus menyimpannya selama keberangkatan. Harap diingat bahwa Anda dilarang merokok di dalam pesawat kapanpun itu. Selamat menikmati penerbangan Anda.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines Flight SQ931 to Singapore. We are pleased to be carrying passengers of our Star Alliance and codeshare partners. Our Cruisewell entertainment system is now available. Please refer to the Cruisewell magazine in your seat pocket for this month's selection. For duty-free shopping, please use the sales request coupons found in the Cruise Shop catalogue located in your seat pocket. From now to 20th May, enjoy $25 off when you spend 200 Singapore dollars net, or $50 off when you spend 350 Singapore dollars net in a single receipt. Terms and conditions apply. Enjoy exclusive offers in Singapore with your SIA boarding pass within 1 month of your flight. Please refer to the Silver Cruise magazine for more details. We wish you a pleasant flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a reminder that as required by local authorities, all portable electronic devices, including mobile phones, must be put in flight safe mode and then turned off for the departure. Thank you for your cooperation.
Para penumpang sekalian, harap pastikan bahwa sabuk pengaman Anda telah terpasang dengan kencang dan penutup jendela Anda telah terbuka. Terima kasih.
Cabin crew, take off station, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened and your window shades are drawn up. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety and the rest of the passengers, please remain seated and have your seatbelt securely fastened. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, for your own safety and that of passengers around you, please remain seated until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Thank you for your cooperation.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been turned off. For your safety, always keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. Please be advised that whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on, toilets should not be used and you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Infants have to be carried out from the bassinets and secured with infant seatbelts. If you're using a blanket, do fasten the seatbelt over your blanket. We apologize that we're unable to serve hot beverages whenever the seatbelt sign is turned on. Electronic devices may be used in flight safe mode. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, due to turbulence, please return to your seat and have your seatbelt securely fastened. Please do not use the restrooms at this time for your own safety. Parents with infant, please take your infant out of the bassinet. We'll also be suspending the hot beverages until the turbulence is cleared. Thank you.
Para penumpang sekalian, karena terjadi guncangan, harap segera duduk kembali di kursi Anda dan pasang sabuk pengaman Anda. Demi keselamatan Anda, harap jangan menggunakan toilet pada saat ini. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a reminder that we're going through a turbulence and you're required to remain seated and have your seatbelt securely fastened for your own safety. Please do not use the restrooms at this time. We'll also be suspending the hot beverages until the turbulence is cleared. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, cruise shop will be closing in 5 minutes. Please approach one of our crew if you wish to buy an item. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to you. This is the pilot from the flight deck. Just a bit of info before we start our descent. We're now cruising at 40,000 feet above sea level. We're starting our descent in 3 minutes time. Current estimate shows we'll be touching down Singapore Changi International Airport at approximately 35 minutes past 1 in the afternoon, local time Singapore. That's 1:35 p.m. in the afternoon. There's a 1 hour time difference between Singapore and Surabaya. Time now is 12:57. Weather-wise, you can expect a cloudy day with some forecast of rain. Temperature on the ground now is a hot 34 degrees Celsius. We do hope you enjoy your flight with us. On behalf of my captain and the rest of my crew, I would like to thank you again for choosing to fly with Singapore Airlines. Cabin crew, prepare for arrival, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, please note that your flight will be arriving at Singapore Changi Airport Terminal 3. If you have an immediate connection in Singapore, please select onward connection to view your departure terminal and gate number. If your flight is not listed, please check the flight information monitors in the transit area. Before arrival in Singapore, all visitors must complete an immigration form. Please note the warning on the form about the severe penalties for drug offences in Singapore. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we're landing shortly, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright and secure a tray table, handset and footrest. Window shades should also be drawn up. Please also ensure that hand luggage is securely stowed. Thank you.
Para penumpang sekalian, silakan kembali ke tempat duduk Anda, tegakkan sandaran kursi, dan pasang sabuk pengaman. Lipat meja di depan Anda, handset, dan sandaran kaki. Pastikan penutup jendela Anda telah terbuka. Semua perangkat elektronik portable sekarang harus diatur ke model penerbangan. Perangkat elektronik berukuran besar seperti laptop harus Anda simpan sekarang. Sebagai prosedur keselamatan, perhatikan juga lokasi pintu keluar darurat. Terima kasih.
Cabin crew, secure cabin for landing, please. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please return to your seat, put your seat back upright and fasten your seatbelt. Secure tray table, handset and footrest. Make sure your window shades are drawn up. All portable electronic devices must now be put in flight safe mode and then turned off. They must be safely stored for arrival. As a safety requirement, please also note where the emergency exits are located. Do note that the in-flight entertainment system will be turned off upon landing. Thank you.
Para penumpang sekalian, silakan kembali ke tempat duduk Anda, tegakkan sandaran kursi, dan pasang sabuk pengaman. Lipat meja di depan Anda, handset, dan sandaran kaki. Pastikan penutup jendela Anda telah terbuka. Semua perangkat elektronik portable sekarang harus diatur ke model penerbangan. Perangkat elektronik berukuran besar seperti laptop harus Anda simpan sekarang. Sebagai prosedur keselamatan, perhatikan juga lokasi pintu keluar darurat. Terima kasih.
Cabin crew, landing station, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened for landing. Thank you. And to all Singaporeans and residents of Singapore, a warm welcome home. The local time is 1:30 in the afternoon on Friday, the 6th of May. The temperature is 32 degrees Celsius, 89 degrees Fahrenheit. You may use your mobile phones and tablets. However, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. When leaving the aircraft, please take care when opening the weight compartments and check that you have not left anything behind on your seat and in your seat pocket. If you need assistance at the airport, please approach our ground staff after disembarkation. Passengers with connecting flights may also approach the ground staff for assistance. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a reminder to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Thank you. And if you're continuing your journey on another Singapore Airlines flight, do know that the boarding gate will close 10 minutes before the scheduled departure time. Do also note the restrictions on the carriage of liquids, aerosols and gels, and hand luggage on all flights departing from Singapore Changi Airport. It's been a pleasure serving you on this flight. Thank you for flying Singapore Airlines, a member of Star Alliance.
Bring crew doors to disarm, please.